How to change your delivery address on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize or change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this account button. Simply tap on account. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there is a section called personal info. Simply tap on personal info. And here on the second option, there is edit addresses. Tap on edit addresses. So this is the section, either you can add a new address or even edit it. So here I'm tapping on edit. Now this is the place where you can change it. So simply enter the new address that you want. So you can simply delete it and add a new address. So after you do that, at last tap on save and it's done. So the new address has been updated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.